welcome back to my channel. So today we are going thrifting, as you can tell by the title of this video, Thrift with me. So this will be the first one for fall this year and I'm super excited. So last week whenever I was working at Renew, they started bringing out all of their fall decor and I found some pretty cute things there. I didn't end up buying anything, but I decided, you know what, today we're gonna just go ahead and kick it off because I was wanting to wait a little bit longer into this month before I started doing like a fall thrift with me, but we're just gonna go in today and see what we can find. Of course, I will show you guys all the other items that I find throughout the store and show you how I stage them at the very end, like I usually do. But yeah, super excited to go in and see what we can find today. I will say I did share 2 other fall videos last week. So I did a Hobby Lobby fall shop with me where I went in, showed you all of my favorite things. I also had a haul at the end of that video, kind of talked some DIYs and things like that. And then recently I did a fall decor haul and it was just a huge haul of all the things that I found in years past. So those videos will be linked down below. I have a playlist that is titled Fall 2022. So be sure to check those out before you leave today. Side note, before we go shopping, I do want to say, so this is hilarious. So I think it was like my last video, someone had commented and said, I love your thrifting. It's so inspiring, you know, all the things, very nice. And she said, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I think, does she actually find these prices and these items for these prices because they're just too good like of a deal? And I promise you, I'm not lying. Whenever I find the things that I find, whatever you know, the prices that I find them at, that's just how I do it. I have been doing this for so long that I just know like how, when, where to get the best deal. I will hold off. I am super patient when it comes to thrifting. There's been things in my home that I've wanted for so long and just places like furniture, stuff like that, but I will literally hold out until I find the perfect piece. So that's why I get the best deals that I do and things along those lines. So just a little disclaimer. But anyway, I just thought it was hilarious. So if that was you, I promise I'm being truthful. It's just so funny. So anyway, enough chatting. Let's go inside and see what we can find today. Alright you guys, so they actually had a decent selection of fall decor out. I will say a lot of it was picked over the day that I went, but I did still find a lot of cute things. So the first thing I found was this fall garland, which I think would be really pretty if you made this into a wreath or even used it on a fireplace mantle or a tablescape or something along those lines. The next thing that I really liked was this wreath. I loved these mustard yellow and kind of muted down colors. Very pretty for fall. And I want to say this one was $12, as you guys can see here. And then there was another wreath that I found that I thought would be a really pretty starter. So it does have the berries and whatnot in it. That's one of the things that I love about thrifting, is that if you find seasonal wreaths and you're not like totally crazy about them, but you still like some of the pieces in there, you can definitely add or take away and whatnot to kind of create your own wreath. So definitely check out the thrift stores if you are in the market for a new wreath for your front door or inside of your home maybe, or something along those lines, because you can get them really discounted prices. And yeah, like I said, you can kind of just create your own. But they did also have a lot of really cute fall signs. They had a few pumpkins, some doormats, things along those lines. But I do know that as the season goes on, they will be bringing out tons more fall decor, because this specific store, like you guys know, I do work here and I kind of see the behind the scenes and whatnot, and they have so much fall to bring out. So I'm super excited to film more thrift with me's for you guys and just show you all of the fall related stuff that they have. And now we are moving on to the regular decor, if you will, that I found this day. So I absolutely love finding large thrifted plants. So I have one in my home, actually in my dining room, and they are just great prices. And most of the time they look brand new and they look really, like just really good condition. So I also ended up finding some shelf decor, some baskets, just your typical things that you can find at thrift stores. But some of these pieces were really unique, so I just had to share them with you guys. if you are someone that is into the landscape art, definitely check out the thrift stores. You can always change out the frames if you're not a fan of the one that it is in, but they can be so cheap. I want to say this one was $8, as you guys can tell. Crazy prices, such good finds, and I find these almost every single week when I go, so definitely keep an eye out when you check out your local thrift stores. And then the final product, as you guys know, I like to stage all of these items. This is something that I do every single week whenever I go work at Renew, and all of the pieces that I find are unique to me. They are different every single week. I never know what I'm going to find, so it's just really fun just taking all of these pieces that are, like I said, just new finds every week and just switching them up and setting up this little display section for others to purchase these items. So I also found tons of clothes this day as well. I actually had 2 full clothing racks. They are slowly but surely starting to get out fall clothing as well, with sweaters, cardigans, boots, all of the things. So I'll definitely be sharing those in some future Thrift With Me's also. Okay guys, so I am out of Renew. I did pick up one thing, so I wanted to show you. It's just like a very mini haul because, like I said, it's just one item, but I did end up getting that huge like candlestick holder, so it's super cool looking. I do plan to paint this. It is like the mustard color, so technically for fall I could use this if I wanted to, but I think I'm going to paint it like a matte black color, so it's really pretty. I have one of these at a smaller scale that is brass that I use for Christmas time, and I think I'm going to paint this one black. So you can do a lot of things with this, make a little like arrangement with it if you wanted to, like put a candle and you know, in the holder, and then like set it on top of a wreath or something. So might go on my coffee table, might go on a side table, not really sure yet, but it was $4, and then I have a discount code with them so I can get 15% off. So anyway, less than $3 for this piece, but I do really like it and I'm excited to incorporate it into my decor. So anyways, that is going to be all for today's Thrift With Me. I'm going to be incorporating some Shop With Me videos here on my channel very soon. I've already done one from Hobby Lobby, like I mentioned earlier, and then I'm planning to go to TJ Maxx and Home Goods, Target, whenever my Target gets more fall stuff out. They really don't have anything out right now. They had a few things in the dollar spot, but I want to wait until it's like full, and then I'll show you guys. And then if you guys want to see Kirkland's, I think someone requested that actually, so I'll probably share that as well. And if there's anywhere else, let me know down in the comments. I can definitely do that if I have one of those stores in my area. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. If you enjoy simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and stay tuned for all the fall content. I'm going to be doing a pre-fall decorate with me coming up very soon. And then I'm also going to be decorating my home for fall. I will be decorating my dining room, living room, and kitchen. And once the weather allows, I'm going to be doing the outside as well once I can get my hands on some pumpkins and hay bales and all the things. So anyway, be on the lookout for all those. I'm also going to be doing a fall DIY video. I have a fall tree I'm going to be making. I'm also going to be doing a wreath and a couple other like arrangements. So be on the lookout for those. But anyway, thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.